Just to sort of sum up the day before I show the recaps on the trades. We've switched to paper trading. We blew another account this morning on gold, so we switched to paper trading for most of the day. I think I'm just going to stick with paper trading now. I'm not working tomorrow either, so I'll be able to trade the open, and I am scared shitless of trading my eval that's up because I refuse to watch that get blown. So yeah, we're gonna have to paper trade because I think I've proved to myself these last couple of weeks that I cannot trade this market. It's not just I'm just not disciplined enough for it. I'm getting chopped out of all my trades. Playing the range for me is very difficult. I don't really. It seems obvious to just buy at the bottom and sell it at the top, but historically I've also proved to myself that I'm incapable of doing that because, sell where? Sell Eddie, it's the bottom. Anyway. So, right now, whilst the markets aren't moving, I don't feel as though they're moving very well. I feel as though I'm getting stopped out of everything, every big move just comes back down again or up again, whichever way. So, we're going to have to, for the sake of saving my accounts, we are unfortunately going to have to just go back to paper trading for now, build my confidence back up, and then we can get back into it. Hopefully when the markets are moving a little bit better. Yeah, I do watch a live stream as well, and you see them talking about it and all the people in the chat. So I think it's not just me. I think it's not just me or my inexperience. I think it's everyone's having the similar issues where it's just they're getting chopped out of things, stopped out of things, But I think my discipline is shoddy. It is shocking, and that does need to improve. I get wound up very easily. That's just the way I am, I can't change that, but I suppose I probably could. But it just leads to frustration, and you end up putting another trade on, then another trade, and another trade. And then before you know it, you're trading the minis to try and make it all back, and then you're taking your stop losses off. Anyway. Right, so the market's just opened again. We're about 10 minutes in now, so we've had a nice push up, a retracement, and now we're pushing back up to the upside off those EMAs. So, I didn't. Again, risk to reward's not great. Massive stop, minimal reward. Just because. I think we sped this video up actually. It took a while just to get it even close to our take profit. So, it was just stalling out. Momentum was stalling, so we didn't quite get the full take profit that we were after. We stopped out just before it, but it was a green trade, so whatever. Right, so we're trading the Dow, broken below the opening range low. Targeting that pivot point. I don't even have the energy to do this. With paper trading now, I've decided I've blown an account, so I'm not gonna trade an eval now until this gets stopped out as well. It's fucking shit. So paper trading now because there's just no point in. I can't trade this market. I'm not capable of doing it. So got a bit of bull flag forming there. Basically, the long and short of it is this trade put us into a little bit of profit there, then swipe straight back up to stop us out, and then come straight back down to where my take profit was. So yeah, unfortunately, I think the market's just chopping. It's just really, really choppy. There's no continuation on any of the moves, which is catching me out because, yeah, I'm trying to trade breakouts of these moves, but there aren't any breakouts happening. It's just chopping in a range, and so yeah, I don't have the experience to trade it. I don't have the fucking patience to trade it. The problem is I shouldn't be trading this. You know, this is not price action that I should be trading. Right, NQ's hammered its way down. We've almost put in little equal lows, and yeah, we were just anticipating starting to get that pop now. As we know, there's absolutely no follow through on any moves anymore, so yeah, I would say a pop back up. Right, so we've seen that rejection off the EMAs, couple of doji candles, so it doesn't want to go any higher, so maybe it wants to go lower. It worked out for us, but yeah. Yeah, I think it worked out for us, did it? Yeah, it did. Yeah, I think we closed it out, but yeah, there you go. I've just taken another trade. It was a long, so we kind of had this idea that we're now sort of making this, pushing back up, almost making like a bear flag, but I've been seeing this pattern quite a lot where we've had this strong move down, a big strong candle up, and then we chop almost like a bear flag, but then it just never really goes anywhere. It doesn't actually flush down. So yeah, I kind of anticipated this bounce here, took off up there, so quite a nice trade, but I don't know, the fills on this are really, really slow, so I actually tried to get into it like here, like with a really tight stop, but it didn't fill me up all the way up here, so it was a bit shit really. But yeah, we were still able to do it all right. But I think just because it's paper trading on TradingView, the fill was just really, really slow. So, but yeah, again, you shouldn't really be trading it. I don't really know why I am, but yeah, whatever.